Greetings, my V family all over the world. This is your chief, guys, and welcome very emotionally to the final Wednesday message of 2021, week 52, guys. And as I was about to record, I was asking myself, unbelievable that the year 2021 is coming to a close. And I was talking to our grand upline, the great one, the one and only Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. And he was reminding me how the last 2 years has pushed us as an organization, as your uplines, to redefine ourselves, all right, to embrace change, to adapt, adjust, accommodate, and not give up on the original vision that we will change lives no matter what is in front of us, no matter how great the challenge. And the last 2 years with the pandemic, the world, the human race went through one of its most challenging times. But Qnet, guys, the V, your uplines, our great founders, Japadas, Bismarck and Dato Sri Vijay, not only helped us survive the last 2 years, but helped us rise the last 2 years. And today, closing 2021, I'm very proud. I'm firstly proud of you guys, the warriors on the ground, the corporate warriors from Qnet, the VQ lifestyle, the V partners, the AVPs, the V councils, the V elite leaders, the coin service, the alliance, everyone, all right, who put their shoulders together, back each other up, remembering the words of Dato Sri Vijay that we will raise ourselves to help mankind no matter what it takes, that we will never give up, that if we get knocked down, even by this pandemic, supposedly knocked down the whole world, we will get up again and get up again and get up again. And that's what we did. And I am partially excited and emotional because we are closing a great year, all right, where we couldn't see each other face to face. That I have spent more time in front of the screen of my iPad or my iMac or my iPhone more than ever in my life. That we connected on Zoom, on Microsoft Teams, that we reach each other. We were able to give each other much more time. I think we realized the value of family. We realized the beauty of financial freedom. That even through this pandemic, we help people make money. We help people earn their steps, their checks. We created more max out kings and queens in the last 2 years than we did the last, 21 years. And I think this is the grace of God. A single blade of grass cannot move without His will. We did VCon online, all right? Successful mega VCons reaching 500,000, 500,000 people. The biggest, most unbelievable online network marketing event in the world by the V, all right? We did ISB online, which was unbelievable experience. We did, I think, 3 zones by the great one, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran online. And finally, all right, we are coming to the close of 2021 and we are going into an unbelievable year, 2022. And Dato Sri Vijay shared with me the words of wisdom that whatever we have done the last 2 years, not only to survive but to rise and grow stronger, all right, is just preparation for 2022. He clearly said that 2022 will be our greatest year. We will break records, all right? We will create such great momentum that the industry of network marketing has no choice but to recognize the number one e-commerce network marketing company in the world, Qnet, guys. All right, and he says that everything we have done, the warriors we have built, the resilience of you guys, our downlines all over the world, the true results was not 2020 and 2021. The true results will be seen in 2022, guys. The great year. All right? And I was so excited, and I've been in and out of the office. I've been recording videos. I'm planning my YouTube channel, spending a lot of time by the amazing people of the Creative Lab in the Philippines of the V, spending time talking to the V partners, the CEOs, Dave, Joel, Amrel, Naresh, David, Arun, Adli, Sati, and everyone, guys, and planning the business development warriors all over the world from the V who are there on the ground, okay, and I've been planning with them what will 2022 be. And in that process of talking to so many people, right, spending so much time with Japa and Dato Sri Vijay, which I think is the greatest blessing of the pandemic for me, to be able to be with my uplines. I've spent more time with them in the last 2 years than the last 10 years, guys. And the first exciting thing that's happening is that we're all going to fly, all right, to Dubai in January for ICE, the Inner Circle Elite, which is the core inner circle builders, movers and shakers of the Japa and Dato Sri Vijay, who are the foundation of what we are building in 2022. And we're going to spend 3-4 days together, strategize, late nights, no sleep, lots of coffee and shy nana, and we're going to plan and execute what I predict, and I know because the words came from Dato Sri Vijay himself, the greatest year 2022. And I want to share something with you, and I know I've spoken so much on my Wednesday message about networking, what you're supposed to do, but this Wednesday message is, I want it to be here. I want it to be here. That I want to reach you guys. And I want you to look into my eyes and listen to my voice. This is me, Patman Senatiraja, your chief, your upline, representing the great ones, Japa and Dato Sri Vijay. You have known me for years. And even if you're brand new, you have seen the 8 basic building blocks and all the other videos, and following me on Instagram, and hopefully the YouTube channel kicks off in January. And I was thinking and spending time with, the team, what is going to be my mantra, or the, not the tagline, but the core messaging of 2022. And we came up with this word, and always I find 3 words, 4 words. And I remember the words of Dato Sri Vijay at VCon, which I want to talk about today at the end of the Wednesday message. I'll tell you what my mantra is in 2022, my messaging throughout the year. Dato Sri Vijay at 1 VCC, and I was sitting right in front watching him speaking to the camera. I was right next to the camera. And he made what I believe is one of the most profound statements he has made in many, many years. And a lot of people missed it. A lot of people didn't catch it. But it hit me really hard. Where he was talking to the participants, you guys at VCon. And he said, why crawl when you were born to fly? Now, I know he just said it, okay? Dato Sri comes up with these amazing statements so many times when he speaks at VCon. But that stayed with me. That became an awakening within me of remembering the early days, 1998, 1999, when I sat down and listened to him, as my upline, as the visionary of the whole organization. And those words captured everything. My 23-year journey was captured in that statement by Dato Sri Vijay Ishwan. Why crawl when you were born to fly? And that's what I want to share with you. If you want a mindset, a paradigm shift that you are going to take with you into 2022, if there's going to be a foundation of your belief system, especially the new guys and even the guys maxing out, even if you've been with me for 23 years, guys, listen very carefully to what I'm about to tell you. That statement in totality summarizes the greatest lesson he shared with me in many ways at many moments of my journey with him. All right? And that statement, knowingly or unknowingly, has become my life mantra that I have communicated with you, whether it's max out, whether your potential is limitless, whether you fight for your dream and what you believe in, and you never give up, and you focus on your TAT and you push yourself before you push others. It's a culmination of Coach A, Coach B. All right, Group A requires Coach B, and Group B requires a Coach A. And I talked about everything. I talked about your dreams at VCon for my heart, remembering my mom, who is my dream. I talked about being a warrior, never giving up and not allowing anything to stop you. And don't allow, whether it's a Google article or a newspaper or your irritating neighbor or relative who doesn't believe in you. And remember that ultimately this requires consistency, and you never switch off. No matter what you do your presentation. You know these 3 words in French: presentation. And you remember your dream, and you always be in service to your people and work from your heart. All right, and all of this put together, and be loyal to your uplines, and ultimately be loyal to the great ones, Japadas, Bismarck, and Dato Sri Vijay Ishwan, the greatest uplines, the greatest founders anyone can wish for in this industry. And it all comes down to this core statement that Dato Sri Vijay made that made me so emotional on that day. And today, before recording this final message of 2021, I wanted to share from my heart why I am here, what I believe in, what I'm going to carry into 2022. And if you ask me one lesson that is going to form my foundation of existence in the year 2022, is the statement by the great one, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwan, my brother, my upline, my mentor, my teacher, is why crawl when you were born to fly? And I don't care who you are. If you're watching my Wednesday message, you are seeking for something. All right? You're maybe looking for a click. You're looking for an answer that's going to stop you from quitting. Or you're looking for an answer that's going to prepare you for the greatest year in our history together as an organization, year number 24. Which is very special because my birthday is on the 24th of June. 2 and 4 is 6. It's a powerful number. Remember that. All right? 3 and 3, 3,000 BV, 3,000 BV is 6, baby. All right? So remember this. Why crawl when you were born to fly? And this goes back to my core belief system that no matter who you are, where you are from, your background before becoming one of Dato Sri Vijay's downlines and warriors, no matter how poor you are, how rich you are, how qualified you think you are, or you are never went a day to school, but you have a dream you're willing to fight for every single day, your potential is limitless. That wherever, even if you are maxing out 1 tracking centers and 2 tracking centers, it is nothing yet compared to your potential. If you're struggling to hit 1 check, it's okay, but your potential is limitless. That whatever you have done that you think was great, erase it from your mind, because it was just crawling, guys. The 2022 is not about crawling, it's not about walking, it's not about running. It's about flying. The 2022, I promise you that we have to raise the bar to a level that we will mesmerize and shock the industry. That a humble company founded by these 2 humble men in 1998, where the whole world said that there was no hope, no chance of ever surviving more than 2 years, today is 23 years old with over 30 million downlines around the world, with the vision of touching 1 billion hearts, reaching countries that no other network marketing company had the guts to go. We went and we stayed, and we never gave up on anyone. Even there's 1 downline there, we will stay, we will challenge the status quo to protect the dreams of Dato Sri Vijay's downlines. Alright? And in 2022, we're going to shock the world. We're going to show them what we are really made of. That we are not just networkers. We are a revolution of evolution of this industry. That we're going to redefine the concept of e-commerce entrepreneurship. That we're going to create the largest numbers of people, all right, to earn checks in 2022. We are going to raise that percentage so high that the industry is going to come knocking on Dato Sri Vijay's door, begging him for the secret. How he created a network of warriors that could survive anything, anywhere. That how did he have the vision to go to Africa when no other network marketing company wanted to step into Africa or Central Asia? How did he build a country like India to the point and face challenges and never give up? All right, and Kazakhstan and Russia, and we are today the #1 network marketing company in the GCC, in the Middle East, in North Africa, and Q and Europe, guys. We are coming in a way that Europe has never seen. America, we are coming. South America, we are coming. Canada, we are coming. All right, Indonesia awaken. Malaysia will come back so strong. It's going to be unbelievable, guys. Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, wherever you are in the world, guys. Turkey. It is our time. Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Ghana, Mali, all right, Tanzania. It's our time, Kenya. All right, it is our time to fly. So my message to you, that this is the last Wednesday message of 2021. The last few days of the year. And we cross into a brand new year, 2022. With only one mantra, one message. That the we, born to fly. You, born to fly. We together, born to fly. Qnet, born to fly. The we, born to fly. Q Lifestyle, born to fly. That your potential is limitless. That if you think you have achieved any greatness up to this point, it's nothing yet, guys. It's 2022. The world will tremble when we awaken to these words. We are born to fly. Then why have you been just running, walking, and some of you even crawling, when your potential, as Dato Sri Vijay instilled in us, is limitless? That I made a decision today before recording this message that I'm going to give 1000%. I don't care. Because we are not here just to be a network marketing company. We are here to change lives, to uplift communities, to eradicate poverty, to empower people mentally, spiritually, emotionally, to fight for what they believe in. That nobody can become a somebody, guys. This is who we are. We are not just a network marketing company. We are going to redefine this industry. But you must just remember the words that impacted me so much at VCon. I was just telling somebody, Dato Sri Vijay, unbelievable. Why crawl when you were born to fly? Remember these words. 2022, forget everything. Empty your cup. Be a warrior, be a networker again. Go back into presentation mode. Have TATs that is going to create fear, anxiety, and amazing passion in you. In 2022, we are going to fly. I love you guys.